you in Macau. It's been a while. I want to see you. You make me smile. Hello, Macau. Oh, how have you been? I really want to see you. Oh, my, Macau. Oh, my, Macau. It's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh, my, Macau. It's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh, my, Macau. I'm looking at you, Macau, wanting to see more of you. Oh, what am I to do? I'm looking at you again. Oh, my, Macau. That's my, Macau.
Okay, we're gonna go into this park. It says, and at the top it says a Happy New Year of the Snake. So it's 2025 and they're celebrating the Chinese New Year. Before we go down, we'll just kind of show you what's behind us. We have this little kind of Macau style restaurant. Then we also have this kind of cool little building with the Chinese temple up at the top on the ceiling. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go into here. So stay tuned. Macau, up on the map, we got a park. So this particular park is kind of well known. It's actually like this really beautiful space that's available to the public. It used to be somebody's private home. And you can kind of tell if you look at it, you can see. And it's also surrounded by walls. Anyways, I'm going to get into all that as well. I also got some lyrics. The lyric is up here now too. So now you saw where it's at. You saw what the lyrics are all about. And we're going to get right into the walk and talk, where I'm going to walk through the whole park and show you another slice of Macau. Let's do it. Okay, so we're going to go on in. There's a lot to see in this park. And let's just kind of take a look. So here's a big sign of it right here. We're down here. Okay, so we're gonna go on in. This is for the Chinese New Year, so that's not always there. And I think I'm gonna just go right into it. There's stuff that we could do almost any side. That is kind of nice over there. But I'm gonna take this little moon gate thing. We'll go directly in, and then we're gonna just meander about for maybe about 10 minutes. And this one was a gift from a very wealthy person who created this park and then donated it to the city. I couldn't tell you, I'm assuming that he passed away first, but I don't know exactly. So lots to kind of meander in here. I think I'm gonna go towards the water a little bit. Got these beautiful rocks and the bamboo. And there's like a tea house thing right there. And then because it's the Chinese New Year, they have this one out in the lake, but it's not always there. So we're gonna kind of meander around like that and just kind of give you a taste for it. So yeah, this particular one was a prominent, let me see if we just sneak by here real quick. Prominent businessman. There's actually another street that has kind of a similar name to also reference him as well. There's one day here where I was in here and there was like a bunch of kind of younger people, and they were doing like this traditional hanfu clothing. Beautiful bamboo. We're gonna kind of meander in a little bit. All these beautiful rocks everywhere. Just kind of go back down. see. Okay, so we're gonna kind of meander towards that house there. It's actually a bit quiet. It's the streets are really busy today in Macau. So I'm kind of surprised that it seems a little bit quieter in here. But on the other hand, it's a nice refuge from the busyness of the streets. You can actually see the streets like right over there around on the other side of the yellow gate. You can see the homes over there. So we're gonna keep on meandering down. We're gonna go right over to there in a second. Let me just see. So there's a lot of stuff along the way. A lot of birds in here. See all those birds? There's one time I was filming and there was a woman that was climbing that tree that overtook the water, and she almost fell into the water. But yeah, she was climbing in here and then somebody took a picture. It's like an older lady too. Okay, so we're just gonna come up here. There we go. Let's see if we see any gold. There's some fish in there as well. I think that's fish and turtles. Okay, so we're gonna head back. We're gonna go around the building and then we're gonna head back out. Yeah, I wish there was some kind of activity going on in here today, but it's a bit quiet. But it's still worth seeing. It's worth coming here because it is such a nice refuge. But then it is interesting too, right? Because you can see all the buildings in the background. But we have this gate all around us. There's a blue pastel building there. Okay. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, and it's kind of funny too because you have all these tall buildings almost everywhere around here as well. Oh, this looks really nice right here. Yeah, and the water is kind of coming out of there. Goldfish. Okay, so we're gonna head on. Oops. So we have to go around like this. Okay. I think we're going to go up this way. It's really nice. Yeah, and then yeah, again, all the buildings to the right, but there's a wall. We're going to walk along the wall in a moment. It's amazing gardens though, right? The bird up there, perched up high. See him? There he goes. Okay. Let me get to here. Okay, so it's kind of, so we kind of gave you a view of all the way around. It's going a little bit fast, but there's a lot of not many people in here today, but at least you get an idea that it's here and what it's like in 2025. And I'm kind of recording stuff in time, so it looks pretty much the same as it looked last time I was here. And I've been in Macau now since 2013, so I guess that's 12 years. And we'll just kind of walk on out of it. It's a beautiful place. There's some nice beautiful bonsai trees as well. Let's kind of show some of these real quick. Okay. So yeah, this is the this beautiful park. Give you a little slice of Macau. We're gonna head back out the same way, and I'm gonna enter into the street, and that'll kind of give you some context of everything. So yeah, this is the name of it. Chinese and Portuguese, and in English too. Okay, so we're gonna come on out. So we're gonna end the video. So yeah, it's all on the other side. I guess we're gonna walk. I'm just gonna walk briefly up to the corner just to kind of give you some context of these walls. But yeah, so it's basically surrounded by these walls. Got more beautiful buildings over that way as well. And I'm just going to go around to the corner and film the wall looking down, just to give you the full context of what it all looks like. Okay, so we're just going to move around the left here. And now you can get a good sense of these walls. So now you can see the outside of it. So the walls, when you're in the street, and there's the tea house right there. So it says Macau Tea Culture House. Let me just kind of go over there real quick too. You can do guided tours as well. Nice. Okay. On that note, we'll end the video. So yeah, we have this giant wall. So on the other side of this wall is that beautiful garden.
Oh my Macau, it's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh my Macau.